Green gram recipe for diabetes. Green gram, also known as mung bean, used since ancient times in India and Chinese cuisine. Green gram consists of high fiber and low glycemic. Green gram contains both insoluble and water-soluble fiber, which together yield varied benefits. Fiber scrubs your intestinal tract as it makes its way through your digestive system. It fills you up, setting your appetite. Water-soluble fiber reduces LDL cholesterol and reduces risk for cardiovascular disease. Because of the high amount of fiber, green gram dal is considered low glycemic. It digests slowly and gradually releases glucose into your bloodstream by stabilizing your blood sugar. Consumption of low glycemic foods lowers your risk for developing diabetes, and since green gram dal prolongs the release of sugar into your bloodstream, it can help curb your post-meal cravings. Let us see the making of diabetes recipe. For this, we need green gram sprouts 1 cup. To prepare fully sprouted seeds, soak them overnight in a wet cloth. Chopped onions 2 tablespoons, chopped garlic cloves 1 tablespoon, mustard seeds 1 tablespoon, olive oil 2 tablespoons, red chilies and curry leaves. Take a pan and heat olive oil, then add chopped onions, garlic, mustard seeds, curry leaves and red chili to it and saute thoroughly for 2 minutes. Now add sprouts to the pan and saute well for 2 to 3 minutes. If need, add pinch of salt and black pepper powder and mix well and turn off stove. Serve this and consume when it is warm for good taste. A study confirms that mung beans lower blood glucose, triglycerides and cholesterol and might improve glucose tolerance that keeps diabetes in bay. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.